Hello, my name is Joseph. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some fried shrimp. Okay, so the first thing you do is you get your cooked shrimp. So it is already cooked. The way you can tell it's cooked is because it's pink, not gray. So then you fill your sink with hot water if you want to thaw it out quicker. The instructions tell you to thaw it out overnight, but in this case, I'm going to thaw it out quickly. So thaw it out for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll work on the breading. In here I have a bag, and in the bag I have 18 pieces of shrimp that I'm gonna bread and then I'm gonna fry in oil. Next, we get our vegetable oil and we fill this pan over here. So we fill our pot to whatever depth we're comfortable with. This is the depth I feel comfortable with. For our breading, we're gonna use an egg, some evaporated milk, some salt, some paprika, some Creole seasoning, and flour. So first we add a little bit of evaporated milk, then an egg. Then you mix it. Just like if you're making an omelet. Then you turn your stove on to a medium setting. You will use some flour. Then you add some Creole seasoning, a dash of paprika, and finally, some salt. Okay, now it is time to bread your shrimp. So what I do is, I usually dip my shrimp in the egg wash. And then I cover it in flour. And then I do this again with the eggs. And then I do it in the flour again. Like this, see? Then when you get the oil temperature you like, you put the shrimp in and you just watch it fry. When they're done, they should look something like this. Let's try this, shall we? All right, here's the moment of truth. Will this fried shrimp taste good? Let's try. My gosh, this is good. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Leave any comments that you have. Like if you have questions or concerns, or if you have any suggestions for videos, please let me know. This is Joe Hamadi signing off. Keep on cooking.